Welcome to Infogenics. Today we learn a very important topic: uh, l- how to learn the 2D and 3D interaction of the protein ligand complex by using the BioWare Discovery Studio. For that, I open the BioWare Discovery Studio, and in File we input our dot complex. Open and this is one of our dot complex. Then we open the protein structure. This is a protein ligand interaction, and this is the protein complex. The first of all, I copy this protein ligand interaction and paste it. For paper publication, we visualize in the increase the publication quality, and for rotation, we change the mouse model. This is the protein and our ligand interaction complex. And this is the protein structure, and this is the ligand structure. Then we choose, then we select the ligand structure. This is the ligand, and this is the different ligand structure, and this is the ligand and protein interaction and ligand protein interaction. This is the 3D structure of our ligand, and this is the active site amino acid that take part for interaction with this ligand complex. And this is the sequence of our dot complex. Then we go for right click and label, and this is the object. Select the amino acid and change the color to the black. Okay, then okay. This is the active site sequence of receptor that take part for the interaction with the ligand complex. And this is the 3D interaction of a receptor and a ligand, and we'll go for the 2D interaction. And this is the 2D interaction of our dot complex, and go for the and this color represents a pi sigma interaction of our receptor and ligand. Then we go for a display style and interaction, show the distance. Okay, and this is the distance between the amino acid of the active site of receptor, and this is the ligand. Final, this is the 2D, sorry, this is the 2D and 3D interaction of our dot complex, and we can visualize these by using the BioVia Discovery Studio. Thank you.